far as the baby hairs go, you didn't really see me plaster them down. I kind of let them do whatever they wanted to do. Alright guys, so this is the finished look of this unit right here. So this is the first time that I'm actually working with this company, guys. So I went ahead and gave it a go. This unit right here is a HD 4C curly unit. It is a curly water wave texture, and obviously you guys can see that the baby hairs are curly baby hairs. So with this one, it is 220% density. It is 26 inches long. As you guys can tell, the hair is actually super thick. I did not recall picking it out like this, but I guess whatever, I was looking for something for like the summertime, vacation time. The wig is very pretty. I did show you guys installing this unit with a wig spray that one of my subbies sent to me. Obviously you guys will see that on the side screen. It's a really nice melting spray. So all I did was just spray certain areas. Like I sprayed the side right here, I sprayed up here, and just in the middle just to hold the wig down. Because the baby hairs are super curly, guys, you don't have to really glue this unit down. You could just do like a light spray on it, and you'll kind of have like some of the hairs to cover up any imperfections if you have any. So the unit is pretty. I didn't do much to it. I didn't tweeze the unit. I didn't bleach the knots on this unit or anything. The only thing that I did with this unit was co-wash it, and I put a little bit of the Cantu leave-in conditioner in it and let it air dry. As far as the baby hairs go, you didn't really see me plaster them down. I kind of let them do whatever they wanted to do, and it just looks really, really nice. The separation right here from the lace and the actual hair right here is not too bad. Sometimes the companies will have it really spread out, and I feel like they did a pretty good job with this one, so it looks very realistic. But the hair is nice, guys. I wish it was a little bit, I feel like a 200% would have been fine. 220 is definitely thick, but if you're someone that likes that big, full, fluffy type of hair, you would actually really like this one. You can style it multiple ways. I just left it in the middle part. I feel like a side part on this one would be pretty as well too, but you guys can see, look at that side. Okay? Look at that little side right there. The unit, as a matter of fact, let me see. Can we go ahead and do like a little flip with this one? I feel like if the part wasn't so defined in the front, I'd probably be able to do it. Oh no, I can. Let's see. Let's see. I gotta get my little mirror out. Oh no, it would actually look really cute like that too. You just gotta play with this spot, but even if, okay. Okay, it's giving like a little something, a little zhuzh. Okay, oh, it's actually a really nice wig like this. I actually think I would wear this instead of parting it. I would just wear it without a part and just kind of like, you know, play with the front a little bit. Like I said, because the baby hairs are kinky, it's gonna look, well, like curly, it's gonna look kind of seamless anyways. And like I said, all that plastic baby hair look, it be rocking sometimes, but not with textures like this. So you guys can see the side, a little flip over. Hopefully this is coming out looking decent. I let the hair air dry, obviously, guys, because I wanted to show you guys the real definition of the curls. So this is pretty much what the curls look like. The curls are like a soft water wave curly texture. I wish the hair was a little bit longer, but you guys know with textures like this, the hair kind of shrinks up a little bit. So I have like a little bit of a shrinkage right here. I'll turn around and show you guys what the back looks like. But all in all, I think this is a win-win right here. Obviously, I sprayed it in the beginning, but if I decide to wear this on a trip, because I've already kind of made it into its formation, I don't really need to put any more glue or spray, or no glue, no spray. I would just go ahead and add an adjustable strap or a band in the back just to make sure that it really lays glueless. But the wig is fire AF, guys. So I'll leave all the information down below if you're interested in purchasing this unit from Hermosa Hair Company. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.